Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. We're taking another look here at Injective. We're going to draw some newer fib levels here, just generally see where we're at here in the overall sense of things. We're at this 0.236 level here that's extremely important to break through, but we haven't yet. Okay, so again, try not to get super ahead of ourselves. Good amount of volume leading into it. We should be in pretty good shape to break through that level. But a lot of it hinges on Bitcoin not pulling back super hard too. So with Injective, we want to look at a few key factors. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. I hope you can learn a lot more than usual, which is great. And if you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site linked down below. Do me a quick favor, hit the like button, comment below if you get a chance. Let me know kind of where you're at here with Injective. Really helps grow the channel too. So Injective time frame. We're looking at the last 7 days liquidation. There's a lot of liquidation here. So this coin's very active. A lot of different areas of control here. Specifically that $27 mark, we're going to talk about that here in a minute. That's a more recent high. Oftentimes you see a lot of liquidation at those levels. We got some late longs here at about $21 as well, doing very, very good. So awesome stuff there. Speaking of congrats again to my community here. I just want to say congrats. We just scored some profit, 36% from ICP, 39% from Near Protocol. Those are swing trades taken last week. And if we take a look here, -1 Matic stop loss. We got XRP, Solana, Litecoin, ADA, Litecoin, and of course, there's an AVAX stop loss. So again, it's not perfect, folks, but day trades are exactly that. They are coins that you want to essentially get in and out quickly. So be careful holding too long. Most of my members find great benefit with that, but you do have to watch it and maintain it full time. So again, it's a full-time job, folks, to be a day trader. That's exactly why I don't day trade anymore. I prefer swing trading. It's a lot better for my schedule and my work-life balance, and just generally speaking, my mindset. Again, this is my full-time job, so you can kind of put two and two together and figure out I don't spend a ton of time trading. I spend a lot of time setting up trades, okay? And again, that's all it boils down to. Risk tolerance is extremely important. Make sure you use good risk tolerance. If you want some direction with my trades, my signals group, I have a signals guide provided in the Discord and also our webpage too if you're curious about that. Okay, so Injective, everything's looking fairly bearish minus the fact that we're getting closer to the 20-day SMA. So there's no situation here that's like, okay, great, take a long position now, we're good to go. Daily time frame doesn't really ever have that kind of feeling about it, but generally speaking, at this point, we can recognize the price action's not fantastic. We're still below 50 on the RSI until we get back up above that, or this descending trend line. I'm not going to feel confident taking a long position. Again, these are swing trades, folks. From a day trader's perspective, you might have some good luck. But again, that's just kind of how it is right there at this point. MACD is converging though, so that is positive. So we got some momentous shifts here, which is great. But we need to close above $23.50, maybe just say $24 is a round number to be safe. Okay. Again, we'll talk about that here in just a minute, but when we look at this most recent high, this is where a lot of liquidation is hedged at too. So folks, $27, a lot of liquidation there. Are we going to get right there immediately? No, but also yes. What I mean by that, we got good momentum on the 4 hour here, letting us know we're back on track. We're over 50 on the RSI. Money flow index is coming up. Not super high, honestly. It's still pretty low, but it was pulled back way hard, so it makes sense as to where it's at right now. But stochastic swinging up too. There's multiple reasons why we have good momentum here. We just haven't broken through these key levels here. Look at this 200-day SMA running concurrent with that descending trend. It's really common for descending trend lines to establish themselves with key level resistances. So until we break above that level, I would not say it's good confirming factors to take a long position. Same thing here as well. We're below 2 other moving averages, barely over the 20. So this is a good constellation, folks. Yes, it's nice to see this here, but this is not an official change in momentum. In fact, until we can get soundly above this level here, once again, that point, I think it was a 0.236 level. Yep, that 0.236 fib level. We're not going to be in a position to take along with confidence. Okay, so because again, this level here, more recent high, will work as a resistance until it doesn't. The price can break above, consolidate here. That might be a consideration for a long. A tight long that you use, you adjust your stop loss higher. That's effectively what I'm talking about. But we do look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can see the shift in momentum has occurred, right? So good news is, from a smaller time frame, this does tell us that we are more likely to continue up than down. Lag and spends free and clear, conversion line, baseline right there. A lot of reasons why the price action is looking pretty decent here for Injective. Again, smaller time frames looking good. We need a few more days of this to be able to have confirmation to take a long position to the upside for a hold you hold for a trade you hold for a longer period of time, right? Again, keep in mind I'm not talking about buying it right now and selling it in a couple hours. I'm referring to buying today and selling in a few days, where most of my swing trades we take profit within 5 to 7 days, sometimes even the same day. But in this case here, I wouldn't expect to get massive profit from it. We want to make sure that we close above specific levels first. So I'm going to be looking for a candlestick closure. I know it seems kind of egregious. At the very least above 2350, but preferably over here above this trend line here. That would be an ultimately better situation to take along with confidence, one that you could essentially, set and forget, right? Because that's what it's all about, right? Is not stressing out too much about the charts. I mean, recently, we took 5 trades last week. 2 are in profit. 4 are in profit. 1 is in the red so far. Okay, and again, patience pays off, folks. Most of those are coming back into the red, or back into the green, because they were in the red all over the weekend. I mean, you saw that altcoin bleed out. It was terrible. But again, we structure our trades effectively, and we persevered through this madness. Okay, so again, high leverage, high position sizing, you're just going to get destroyed quickly. If you don't want that for yourself, I recommend jumping over to our community Discord, of course, or more importantly, our premium group. CryptoCache.tag is the site if you're curious about that. Feel free to reach out. Don't be bashful. If you want to trade with a better experience too, our US and Canadian members are finding great benefit with BitUnix. Link down below, no KYC or VPN required. Also, awesome rewards. Use my link to register. Highly recommend them, folks. They're an excellent exchange. Deeply appreciate it. And I hope that you have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.